Want a dessert that looks fancy but is super easy? These mini jam tarts with meringue are it. Greetings Sanbonani and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Let's make the cups. In a food processor, place the softened butter. Add the powdered sugar, or what we call icing sugar. Add the oil. Separate the eggs. The eggs should be at room temperature. Add the yolks to the food processor. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. It's below. Press where it says more. Blend well. If you do not have a food processor, you may use a bowl and a wooden spoon or a hand blender. Stop and collect from the sides and make sure that all is blended well. This is what we call creaming the butter. Once blended, sift in the flour. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Some of you friends, you keep coming back to watch the videos. I appreciate that, and I would like you to take the next step and subscribe and join the family. It is free to subscribe. Stop and collect from the sides to make a homogeneous dough. Once the mixture looks like crumbs, put it on a flat, clean surface. Press the crumbs together to make a dough. Do not knead it. Cut the dough into two. One should be 1/3. Then mold each and wrap them separately in a cling wrap. Place them in the freezer for at least 30 minutes or more, especially the 1/3. You need it hardened. Once the bigger one is rested, cut it into pieces of 8. In a small bowl, place oil for rubbing the hands when we roll the dough. Roll the dough into small balls. Place the dough balls on a cupcake baking pan. Using the base of a drinking glass, press each dough down to make a shape of a cup. Tidy the top edges by pressing them down. Cover the cups and put them in the fridge. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. In your bowl, place egg whites, a pinch of salt, lemon juice or vinegar. Beat these egg whites, and when they start to foam, gradually add the sugar. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 338 degrees Fahrenheit. Beat them until they become glossy and stiff-like. Add the cornstarch and sour cream. I apologize, I've lost that footage. However, I will include the ingredients in the description box below. Mix well. fill the cups with jam. I am using the store-bought strawberry jam. Follow with the meringue or the egg white mixture. Do not overfill so that when it's baking it doesn't overflow. If you like easy, delicious desserts, please let me know in the comment section below, and please press the like button to show me your support. Take out your 1/3 of the pastry dough and grate it to top the cups. I decided to grate the dough on a plate because it was getting messy. Cover the tops well. Bake for 40 minutes or until they are golden. Look at that golden flaky crust. The aroma was amazing. Let them stand for 10 minutes, then take them out, cool them entirely. I hope you enjoy these tea time treats. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next upload. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.